Hey there, I'm Lisa from Envision. Today, I want to personally invite you to one of our upcoming webinars, The Power of the Pain, using EMDR therapy and addiction protocols, presented by Hope Payson. If you are an EMDR therapist who works with clients who struggle with addictions, you will not want to miss this presentation. This treatment-focused workshop is a 2-day event that will teach you how to stabilize clients and desensitize addiction memory networks without triggering increased substance use or a relapse. Through the use of demonstration, case presentation, and live practice, you will learn specific strategies and interventions to use with your clients who struggle with chemical dependency and other addictive or compulsive behaviors. You will learn specific tools to use during each of the 8 phases of EMDR, and you'll feel more confident in your ability to treat clients with a history of addictions, particularly with clients who are not yet abstinent. During her presentation, Hope will share her knowledge on how to gather clients' information from an adaptive information processing point of view, so that you can identify treatment planning options and common negative and positive cognitions for clients with histories of complex trauma and addiction. During this workshop, you will learn about the different options in terms of addiction protocols that can be used with your clients. Hope will present and review how to use those different protocols so that you will feel confident using them with your clients. You will also learn about the different steps involved in addressing and desensitizing cravings, urges, and triggers related to substance and behavioral addictions. Addiction is a treatable disorder. Join us on October 16th and 17th to learn the tools you need to help your clients regain control of their lives. Click the link below to register.